This is an iPhone, and this car behind me costed us the same amount of money as this iPhone. But let's see what it actually can offer us for 1,200 euros.
This baby, the creation of German engineering, who has been running already for 130,000 kilometers, 1.8 petrol engine with 125 horsepower. Exhaust. It makes you want to press that shit. Don't forget about the heated seat. It might be useful for the upcoming winter.
Now let me introduce you to more comfort features in this car. Bam! Bam! 1, 2, and bam! I see how you look at me, right? You're questioning, does this car even have air conditioner? Bro, if you need air conditioner, you go and you buy Lada, okay? We are talking about Audi. We have a climate control. And if you're a smoker, you can use an ashtray. If your passenger is a smoker,
You're gonna have, at one point, an ashtray.
yes, the control panel currently looks like this, but this is a temporary situation because we are working on them. And just to give you some spoiler, let me show you the vision. You know how it's gonna be? You see the vision?
Body-wise, we are here to make it shine.
Power steering. Was absolute disaster how we managed to change it, but that's the story for the next episode. Right now I just want to flex that we have it.
Suspension, lower than your grandmother's heartbeat.
And now let's talk about electronics in this Audi.
Mirrors working.
So we kind of like speaking here. The windows are working as well.
And all the lights are working. Parking sensors, well, looks like we have them.
But the sensors, they don't seem to work. So that's actually what we bought for the price of an iPhone, guys.
I think it was a good deal. It was the best deal that we had on Facebook Marketplace. And I'm really happy that we didn't buy the Opel, to be honest with you.
We already ordered all the parts that this little baby gonna need. But yeah, it takes some time for them to arrive here. And while we're waiting for deliveries, we decided to take care of something that we actually can do.
And you don't want to miss it.
There is an annoying part with the windscreen. I checked today how it's called. It's called the cowl covers. And I found a YouTube tutorial on how to fix it with the price of 6 euros. Well, 12 if you're buying a glue as well.
Okay. Oh.
Yeah, a little bit of hosing here because this part apparently stopped holding. So right now the plan is to remove these two plastic parts.
It's pieces by pieces, you know?
Tecnologia! Tecnologia!
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh. I think we need the W40.
Actually, the effort felt easier than how it looked. Look who's there. That's the wiper, because we successfully managed to remove it. For now, it will stay like this. Okay, so we are, I would say, back in the workshop, but this is my basement, together with this cowl covers.
And as you can see, it has a lot of holes and things, I don't know.
Yeah, the rubber is completely damaged from time. And so the idea basically, Alex, that we cut like the whole rubber part, like, you know, as much as you can. You just cut what cuts, you know?
You can cut up to the line because we have a line. That's easy. He's a pro.
Bro.
But how the fuck are you gonna cut it here?
That's a problem for now. On the car, it's like, I mean, completely ripped. So I would follow the line then.
Okay, that was easy. Don't get mad at me if I cut them wrong, huh?
So idea is to prepare this plastic and to put it on top of this like that somehow. Gonna look nice and fresh.
Looks good, huh?
So now let's fit the rubber part. But man, it will look nice.
It's not perfect, but it's honest work, you know?
It's almost perfect. I know what you try to comment. It's almost perfect. Opa. Nice. The whole cowl covers with the new rubber part ready to be installed. High five. Bam. Well, I will look at this in the daylight, but even right now it looks better. And it does actually look better, even with wrongly installed wipers. By the way, Alex just recently moved to Luxembourg, so the next day we needed to go to make some paperwork for his car. This is the place where you need to certify your modes in Luxembourg. That's why we are here today at 8 in the morning. And here are the modifications that Alex needs to certify.
We are here at ATL because I failed my control technique when I registered the car from Romania to Luxembourg, and I have a lot of mods in the car, as you saw in the short video, and some of them they are from Alibaba. I know. And basically I need to get all the certification for it. And what we managed to do today was the one for the rims and tires. So we are gonna have the correct size in the card of the car. The front spoiler, the back spoiler, the diffuser, and the suspension, because the car is lowered. The only problem that we are left, exhaust. It was custom made. He said laboratory test 3,500 euros, not worth it. He told me just get a Golf GTI exhaust with a resonator in the back and it's gonna be just fine. And the LED lights in front, I will need to change back to halogen. What I'm paying for today is gonna be 250 for the suspension and
rims and tires.
Yeah, and another 200 for all the spoilers and everything. So 450 or 550, I forgot it. Putting the exhaust, lights, and then we're good to go, and I'm gonna be legal.
Okay, just remember this face, because soon he's gonna tell you how much exactly this almost nothing ended up costing. We're back in the Audi, and the plan is to remove Stepan and Petro. For that we need to remove the headlight first.
After ATL, I had to change the exhaust and the lights, as the guy said, because he couldn't pass me with them. So what I did, I was started looking on second-hand market. Went to France, to Metz, because it's really close to us here in Luxembourg, and bought an exhaust for like 90 euros. Then I went to one of the mechanic shops here in Luxembourg to change the exhaust, and I said, okay, for the lights as well, I need to change them because I had LEDs before, and when you have LEDs on the lights, you know, you need to do some engineering there. In the end, it costed me the exhaust and the lights, and to lower the fog lights as well, because that one was a problem as well. It costed me 650 euros.
Did you pass control? Because I know the answer, but can you tell the answer?
The thing is, I didn't pass it in the beginning because the fog lights were still too up. I don't understand this pin. Yeah, I will need to check a bit, to look a bit. After telling you that, I went to the guys at the garage and I told them, man, I failed. It was like 2 minutes away. The guys were like, okay, we're gonna do it now. They put it even lower, went back again, paid again 30 euros and finally passed control technique. And for the last appointment, I paid another 220 euros just to have 3 words in the cart grease. In the end, this was all my story, and going back and forward, losing time, money. And those are just the money that you needed to pay to get your car from Romanian number plates to Luxembourg. You should make it road legal with all your spoilers and diffusers. And now the main question, does it worth it? All of your
lower like front lips. And
Yes, yes, man. At least I'm driving in style. You know, I paid 2,000 euros, but I'm driving in style, and this is annoying me.
hold it here, and then you pull it little by little. By
Oh yeah, being gentle, not being Shrek.
yes. Okay, the light is off. The Stepan and Petro are living their last minutes in their.
But they're not even moving, man. I think they are like stuck. They're stuck. Look. Alex,
What?
can you open the trunk, because I think I left my phone on the engine.
It's good that I'm still recording, you know. And the moment of truth. Show me your absolutely cracked phone.
Nah, man, it's good.
We are back in the basement, together with the light, together with Stepan, and together with Petro. So you can reach it.
I think so. One of them at least.
Perfect. My idea is to combine this with this and with this pipe. Okay, you're gonna capture now probably the moment of catapulting of one of the spiders. I think it's Stepan or Petro, whatever. Goodbye. Ah, how about to put the vacuum cleaner? I think that shall help. You know what, even with this you can try to scratch him out. Oh, that's it. I think you can get him. Petro, get ready. Great job, Alex. High five.
Bread.
Now we need to assemble the light back and to put it on the car. Yeah, it's getting very cold outside to make videos that we are doing, but
And guess where I'm going tomorrow? Because I didn't pay enough money on my car, almost 2,000 euros. I'm going to put winter tires because I have summer tires. I'm putting Pirelli at least. Friends told me from work, they told me maybe at the end, after you put like, we put in the first video, you know, like no names, subscribe and like, at the end, I don't know, 10 seconds of bloopers, you know?
I don't know. We don't have much bloopers. We are professionals.
Yeah, would be funny, you know, like, I don't know, I shit in myself, like, you know.
When next time you're gonna shit in yourself, because last time I didn't capture it.
Yeah, true.
Turn on the light. Opa.
Perfect. Nice!
Well, no iPhones. No iPhones.
Wait.
What? You need something inside?
I just want to make sure there is nothing left there.
Yeah, I checked for the iPhones.
Okay. Then close it. This, we didn't tell them that we changed.
We said that.
We said?
Yeah, in the last video. But it's gonna be the next video for them.
I will be forever young. I wanna be forever.
Amazing, no?